What's going on, guys? Who remembers wearing that after a 15-mile patrol and how you felt? I remember coming back from patrols and my lower back would be killing me. So this is a shin box drill that's going to help open up that mid-spine so that way your low back doesn't hurt. As we talked about before, the body's made up of places of mobility and stability. You take mobility out of one part, or you start to make mobility in something that's supposed to be stable. So we're going to create a lot of mobility here so that way your lumbar can be stable and also through the hips. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here. This drill can be done twice a day. I normally have my clients do them first thing in the morning and right before bed. Each one that we do is 5 repetitions. So we're going to have our knees together, hand over hand, and I follow my upper hand with my head and neck. And then whenever I get stuck, guess what we're going to do? Breathe and open and come back. Big surprise, right? Breathing again. 5. And when I'm doing it, I make sure my knees stay down as much as possible, and I try not to give a false representation of thoracic mobility by going like this, right? So I want to make sure they stay down. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Here, follow my head and neck. And the idea is I'm trying to get that opposite shoulder blade to come down toward the ground as much as possible while I extend. Then we're going to go knees, ankles stay stacked together. Arms are going to stay into a T. I kind of push my hands out like I'm reaching through my fingertips. And I let my knees fall to one side. And then again, breathe when I get stuck. Open it up. Same thing on the other side. 5 repetitions there. Again, making sure those knees stay stacked on top of one another. Then I take my right ankle, I put it on my left knee, and then I let that come in and I rotate my knee inward, and I can use my top leg and kind of pull it a little bit if I wanted to. And then I come back up, right? And I let that bottom foot roll to the side, right? I'm not leaving the foot down, I'm letting it come up so that my hip rotates in. 5 there. Then I take it, move it out a few inches, do it again, and breathe through the whole thing. And then again to the outside, 5 here. Repeat the process on the other side. 5 here. Take it out, move it to the side, a few inches, 5 there. And then finally move it out, so that way when my knee falls, it lines directly in line with my hip, right? So that way we eventually end up with this 90-90 position. Final is what we're going to do is we're going to bring our feet just outside of our hips. Arms are going to be on the side again into a T. And then when my knees fall to the side, I want this knee to fall directly behind this foot, right? So just like this, side to side here. There we go. And that is the full shin box mobility drill. Do that 2 times a day, morning and night. And if you found this video helpful, make sure your friends get it, show them, and I hope that helps you guys move, feel, and perform better.